Okay, this is Bubble Dizzy, another Codemasters game featuring that lovely little egg Dizzy. This was released on part of a pack of Dizzy games, Dizzy's Excellent Adventures, not Excellent Adventures, ho ho ho. Yeah, this is, rather than being a standard sort of arcade adventure, this was a little bit different. There's another game a bit like this, because you know, Codemasters weren't always the most original at making games. I can't remember what it is, but you know, you control Dizzy. I think you've been kicked off a pirate ship or something. You're underwater and you got to jump on bubbles and get your way back to the surface. Here we go. Look.
Arr, you walk the plank. Arr, away with ye.
Ooh, stamp on his bloody boxing gloves. That's it. Go on, Dizzy. You're dead, mate. You're stuffed. Get ready to rumble. So, here we go. Ooh, what are we doing? I've played this game. Oh shit. I've played this game once. After the Underwurlde, that's the game I'm thinking of. Ooh, that's it, yeah, it's like Underwurlde. It's a game about. Just frustrating. Get on that bubble. Go on, Diz. That's it, lad. Come on. Oh, fucking hell. Yep. Get up. Dizzy. Come on. Get yourself, lad. Get up that fucking sea. That's it. Right. Progress. Piss off, shit. Oh, just what you want, innit? Just what you want. You're making progress. There's a bloody swordfish pissing you off. This wasn't one of the better games. Oh, fuck right off, pal. Fuck off. No. Come on, Dizzy. Get some bubbles. Up, lad. Up. Up. Fuck, no, you dozy shite. Fucking hell. I'd rather face a banyan tree in this shite. Come on, you wait for a bubble to come along, two come along at once. You still miss it. Oh, you shit. Not one of the greatest games. Frustrating as hell. It's just like Underwurlde, but I want to play the game. But rather than being the save man, everyone's favourite, you know, swashbuckler, it's bloody Dizzy. Underwater with bubbles. What gets me, he can actually, unlike in his other games, he's done pretty well underwater. He's not drowning. In his other games, Dizzy games, you even touch the water and you're dead. But no, in this one, he's alright. Well, this is pissing me off. Come on, get up there, you bastard. Come on. Fuck off. Father, fuck this shite right up there. Fucking crap. I've never sworn so much when I'm not pissed. Fucking bursting bubbles shite. I'll give it 5 out of 10. It wasn't a great game at the time. It was just another spin-off game by Cody's. Get a bit more money out of the punters. And what they're best at, Codemasters, wasn't making these games. These games. It was adventure games. What everyone loved. These games, you know, people didn't really give a shit about them. The only good spin-off game they ever made with Dizzy was Quick Snacks, which was sort of based on another game again because they ripped games off. So I'm going to give this 5 out of 10. We can't even bother put a stupid name in the high score. You know it's not that good, the game. 5 out of 10.